Have you ever been in a situation where you didn't know what to do, so you just watched what everyone else was doing and did the same? That is exactly what today's idiom is about. Understanding follow suit will help you describe copying others perfectly. Let me tell you a funny story. My friend John heard his boss say, "I'm going to order the steak. You should follow suit." John thought it meant he had to wear a formal suit. He showed up to dinner in a tuxedo, but follow suit didn't mean changing his clothes at all. So, what does it actually mean? To follow suit simply means to do the same thing as someone else. It comes from card games. If one player plays a heart, you must follow suit and play a heart too. Here is the correct way to use it. In a meeting, the manager started taking notes. Seeing this, the rest of the team decided to follow suit and opened their notebooks too. They copied her action to be prepared. Let's look at examples. First, she resigned and others followed suit. This means others resigned too. Second, if our competitor lowers prices, we must follow suit to stay in business. To remember this, think of a card game. Picture a line of cards all matching the same symbol, like hearts. When you follow suit, you match the pattern of the person before you. Here is a fun fact. This phrase is hundreds of years old, coming from games like whist and bridge. It shows how deeply card games are embedded in English culture, representing fairness and rules. Related sayings include, "Jump on the bandwagon," which means doing what is popular. A simple synonym is copy or emulate. An opposite phrase would be to go your own way or blaze a trail. A common mistake is thinking this is about clothing, like my friend John did. Remember, suit here refers to a set of cards, not a jacket and tie. Don't use it to talk about fashion. Time for a quick quiz. What does follow suit mean? A. To wear a suit. B. To do the same thing. C. To play cards. The correct answer is B. To do the same thing. To recap, follow suit means to copy someone's actions. Using this idiom makes your English sound natural and shows you understand cultural expressions. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and subscribe or support us with super thanks. See you in the next video.